Have you ever wondered how a 100-year-old tree could fit into your living room? Imagine a living, breathing testament to nature's resilience, all within your grasp. This isn't fantasy, it's the enchanting reality of bonsai. Welcome to the captivating world of bonsai. Bonsai is not just a plant but an art form, a living sculpture that changes with time. This captivating art originated from the ancient Chinese practice of penjing, which involved creating miniature landscapes in pots. But it was in Japan that bonsai, meaning planted in a container, found its true expression and refinement. Cultivating a bonsai tree is a delicate and patient process. It begins with selecting the right plant, one with a strong trunk and well-structured branches. The plant is then pruned and shaped using wires, a technique that requires both skill and imagination. But the art doesn't stop there. The bonsai tree must be watered and cared for meticulously, its growth monitored and guided, a commitment that can span decades. This art form is a testament to the patience, dedication, and care that it takes to coax a tree into a miniature version of its towering counterparts in nature. It's about forming a bond with the tree, understanding its unique needs and rhythm, and the reward? The satisfaction of seeing a miniature tree grow and thrive, its beauty unfolding with each passing season. Bonsai is a journey, a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of life. Now that you've had a glimpse into the art of bonsai, are you ready to start your own miniature garden? Embark on this fascinating journey, beginning with beginner-friendly trees. As your confidence grows, dare to venture into more challenging species. The beauty of bonsai is not just in the stunning end result, but in the journey of patience, care, and creativity it requires. So why not give it a try? Remember, every bonsai tree tells a story. What will yours say? The world of bonsai is vast and fascinating, just waiting to be explored. We've delved into the mysteries, the art, and how you can join this miniature gardening adventure. It's a journey of patience, creativity, and pure beauty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to continue your journey into the world of bonsai. Happy gardening!